this is David with another techie review. Let me take these off because I really can't hear myself with these on. This is a pair of Bose noise canceling headphones, model 700. This is a really nice pair of headphones. They're extremely comfortable. The craftsmanship on these is amazing. When you first put the earmuffs over your ears, you just can't hear anything outside of them. So it's amazing. And they're light, really good piece of hardware here. So getting these to work is a little bit of a challenge. When you first turn on a pair of headphones, you might want to just pair them up to your Bluetooth. Not so with Bose. With the Bose headphones, you really need to download the Bose Music application to set them up. It's actually the very first thing that is in the instructions manual, is to install the Bose Music app. And this allows you to set up your phone and pair them together. You can actually name your headphones, which I've named my headphones, these headphones on my phone as a Midnight, because they're black. So the app gives you ability to do various controls, set favorites, set noise canceling favorites, which are enabled with the one control on the back, the left-hand button on the back. The other two buttons on the right, the top one is the power on the pairing button. The bottom is to enable either a voice assistant, whether it's Alexa or Google Assistant or your phone's assistant, either way. The controls are generally on the right-hand ear cup, forward of the bar. To answer a call, for example, you would double tap you would tap double tap on it. You can pause your music by double tapping. You can increase the volume by sliding up with your finger, down with your finger to loosen the volume. To skip ahead a track, you go to the front. To move back a track, you go backwards. You can pause by tapping. Again, you can answer a phone call with these. There's actually 8 microphones in this headphone set. 6 of them are used for noise canceling. 2 of those 6, plus 2 more, are used to actually give you great sound and hear you speak over a phone call. The people that I believe are most well suited to use this set of headphones would be people who travel a lot, especially long haul flights where you don't want to listen to jet engine noise or your neighbors on the plane for long periods of time. And it's good that this has a very high hour rating. I believe it's 14 hours or so on the for battery life on these. Another place where these could be used is if somebody needs to focus and maybe they work in an open office plan, you can use these to blot out the office so you can focus on your work and not have to worry about that, since a lot of people are not getting offices these days and you may not have an office workspace. But if you are in an office mode, you can use the favorites button here on the left ear cup to allow you to go into conversation mode so you can talk to somebody, and then you can turn the noise canceling back on so that you can resume focusing if you get interrupted. One item that I was not able to review with this review is the advertised Bose AR, their augmented reality audio programs that they advertise for the Bose 700. It's unfortunate because it's just not available yet for the Android operating system, which is what my phone uses. So once those are out, I'll do a supplemental video to talk about the AR features. I can't really say whether they're good or bad because I just can't use them. A little disappointing, but it just happens to be reality at this point. Overall, these are a wonderful set of earphones that are pretty expensive, but you're investing in these, so you have to take care of them. And that's one reason why they come with this nice hard shell case for when you're traveling with them. They don't get crushed as a travel device. You also get a audio cable that can be used if your battery dies. You can then just plug them in and use them without the battery on board. And it also has a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, with a nice little compartment for those accessories in the box. Again, a wonderful set of headphones, the Bose Noise Canceling 700s. Take a look and silence your world. This has been David with another Techie Review.